Good evening and welcome to NewsWatch Ole Miss. I am Juliana Jackson.
And I'm Celeste Lay.
It was a rainy Thanksgiving weekend here in North Mississippi, and it doesn't look like the rain is done with us quite yet. Seth, tell us what's in store for the upcoming week, especially tomorrow.
You're correct, Juliana. The rain is not quite done with us yet. We have a big storm coming. As you can see from between 7 and 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, this system will begin to develop over Oxford. You'll be seeing some increased cloud coverage as well as some winds picking up. And then from between 11 to 12 p.m. tomorrow, the severe weather will begin in earnest and last until about 1 a.m. Wednesday morning. Now, those are our current estimates. Now, what this means for us here in Oxford is that we are going to be seeing some severe rain and thunderstorms with some potentially damaging winds and the possibility of tornadoes and hail. Make sure to stick around for your full forecast as well as how to deal with this severe weather. Back to you at the desk. Good evening, Oxford. My name is Seth Parenteau, and this is your weekly weather forecast. Well, we are looking at a current temperature of 58 here in Oxford for the end of November. Not too bad if I do say so myself. And if we take a look across the rest of northern Mississippi, you'll be seeing much of the same, with South Haven, Holly Springs, and Corinth all at 56, and Oxford and Tupelo standing at 58. Now for tonight's forecast, we're looking at a low of 46. Again, for the end of November, can't really complain about that. But if we take a look at tomorrow's forecast, this is where things start to get interesting, if I'll put it that way. As you can see, not much going on the radar. However, we have a high pressure system coming in from the northwest and a low pressure system coming in from the south. What that's going to mean for us is they're going to converge over northern Mississippi, bringing some severe weather to our area. Now, what to expect for tomorrow? We are looking at heavy rain and thunderstorms from noon tomorrow to early Wednesday morning, bringing potentially damaging winds at 15 to 20 miles per hour, with the possibility of tornadoes and hail throughout the afternoon and evening. Now, how to prepare for a storm like this. Make sure you have food and water stocked up. Charge all your electronics and put fresh batteries in flashlights. Now, that's all for the event of a power outage. In the event of a tornado, make sure to move to the most central room in your home and stay away from windows. Now, this storm is still developing and is subject to change, so make sure to stay tuned to your local weather for all and any updates. Now, moving away from that severe weather tomorrow and into your 5-day forecast, as you can see, with the glaring exception of tomorrow's storm, it's looking to be a relatively mild week, with Wednesday and Thursday looking at a high in the low 50s and Friday reaching a high of 60.
Wow, thank you, Seth. We got to bundle up for tomorrow, I guess.
Oh yeah, make sure to grab an umbrella or a raincoat if you have one.
Yes.
Now, moving on from the severe weather, Cameron, what's happening in the world of sports?